Hey everybody, Jordan here, House Call of Trading. I just wanted to show you how last night, if you remember, which will be part of the video that I'll post on YouTube, and then I'll post this one as well. I was down around 450 bucks, and it was solely because I didn't follow my trading plan, and it ended up going bad for me, blah, blah, blah. And I knew you'll hear it in the video, I'll say, I shouldn't enter here, gonna go against my plan, it's probably gonna end badly for me, and it does. But following my plan for the rest of the night, I ended up making it up. I ended up ending the night about $26 in profit, so I made that 400 and something dollars back. So you can just say $500 I made last night to make it easy. And then today, I didn't trade the first basically hour and a half, I want to say. I didn't trade until 10 a.m. Or let me see what my first trade was. This is at, sorry, 9:40 is when my first trade was. And look at this, we hit $784 in profit. And if you add that on to the $500 that I had to make up last night, that's well over $1,000. This is my third funded account that I was trying to get funded, and this was on the last leg of it, and all I had to do was hit 6,000. So I hit it and I stopped for the day, and my last trade was at 10:14. So 20-40 minutes done trading, high probability trades, shorting at the top and just trying to secure small gains over and over and over again, and that was it. And had I held my last short, obviously I would have done really well, but that's okay. I wasn't trying to do all that. I just wanted to make some money and be done, and I made what I needed to make, and I got out. So I just wanted to show you guys that every time I don't follow my plan, I get messed up, but when I do follow my plan, I make it back, and then some, easy peasy, done trading very quickly. And so again, let's go ahead and show you how the trading works. So, right, we have our fibs, which for me, I used this as a high and this as a low, and I dragged it. Now, obviously now I could adjust to this new high right here and take this as a low and then let this do its thing, or I could even make it a little smaller, right? And I actually just realized that I don't have it drawn the right way. There we go. And do it like that. So now it makes a lot more sense now that it's closer together. But when I first started, this was my high right here, and this was my low. What am I doing? This should be my low, sorry. And this should be my high. Okay, so that's where I was first. And that is why these lines have been respected. Well, actually, first I drew it going up, which is why I had to reverse it. But now, drawing it down, I would use this as my high, and this is my low, and accordingly. So, yeah. I did not catch any of this going up, right? But once I saw that we were stalling out here, I started shorting, and I actually flipped it to the downside. So you have that, you have your VWAP, which is anchored to the first candle of last night, or yesterday, okay? And as you can see, I made some trades last night. That first one really took me out, was not a good one. Over here, right, that was a bad trade. But it's all good. And I ended up making all my money back up from basically here to here. And then this is me asleep. And then this is the trades that I did this morning. And basically using the VWAP as bounce, 200 as another area of bounce. So more than likely we should pop back up here as VWAP and 200 EMA are both kind of on top of each other, forming like a cushion to propel it up. We also have this 50% right here, which is another area to push us up. But then we have our open/open week right here, which could be a kind of our, we might funnel right here and channel for a little bit. But yeah, that's how you use these in tandem. The 8 EMA right here above the 21 EMA signals calls, and now that we've crossed below, signals puts, so you would have been able to catch this as well. There's all these layers of confirmations that are coming into play here, right? And then as you can see, this popped up, this anti-Gartley. We actually had one that was an anti-crab that was showing us downwards movement that we got already, and it hit fruition. And then this one, if you notice, it actually hit your targets 1, 2, and 3 and 4 before it decided to start falling. Now, I'm not sure exactly why it's still on the chart, but it did hit where it needed to go before it rejected. So this was still valid as well. And I didn't take it because I was done trading already. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys that if you just follow your plan and you just do what you're supposed to do, you will be successful. And if you want to know how to make, $1,000 a day, like I've been doing for the past 10 days that I've been showing y'all, whether it was on TikTok or here, just reach out via email, emadaytrader@gmail.com, or you can join our Discord group, right? Just reach out to me and we can figure something out. We can set up a one-on-one if you reach out, and I can help you get set up and explain how the indicators work better and how they work in tandem, so you can be successful too. All right, so just reach out to me with any questions, comments, concerns. I just wanted to show you guys that I did make up that money that I lost last night, and not only did I make it up, I hit my targets, and I'm good and done for the day. Not even noon yet, and I am going to be enjoying myself. So see y'all later.